This is a Japanese yew. This is the Meta Japanese yew. It's one of the varieties. I love this guy. He's fairly new to the Houston area. I love him because he's so thick and dense compared to the older variety that we have. And it's got a little darker, richer green color texture on it. He's deer resistant, so he's really great to plant if you have deer issues. They tend to grow in this kind of shape, more columnar, meaning they're going to grow a lot taller than they grow wide. So they're a great replacement for the Italian Cypress. Everybody loves those tall, pencil-looking trees. This is a good replacement. He does tend to get a little wider and doesn't grow as tall, but he can't give you that same structure. And disease resistant, there's no diseases that attack this guy. Again, he's deer resistant. He doesn't flower. He can put on little tiny blueberries, but because of the dark green of the foliage, you really don't even notice it. Pruning, you'll have to prune him a couple times a year because he's not a super fast grower. And then watering, just keep it normal for Houston. Do not overwater this guy. He will have issues if you do.